into the host's Hall of Fame. Folks, the infiltration of counterfeit goods is one of the largest underground industries in the world. Joining us this morning to discuss identifying counterfeit products during this holiday season is Victor Barrett from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. I call it CTOC, right?
CTOC, right.
Good morning, Sir Victor. How are you?
Good morning, good morning.
Compliments of the season to you.
Same to you.
All is well?
Yes.
Good. So this is the time of year when the influx becomes influxer. Do we see more counterfeit goods this time of year?
Yes, most definitely, because it's a Christmas season, and Jamaica is a brand culture.
Yes.
We want all the brands, so there is an increase in counterfeit goods on the market.
How though? Because they have to come in from somewhere.
Very interesting question.
Yes, rather.
And we are the police, so we don't manage the ports.
Right.
So the custom agency, they are the appropriate authority. So I myself and my team and the country, we are also concerned about how these goods, come through and come on the streets. Mm-hmm. But I think that question is for the JCA, Jamaica Custom Agency.
I have to tell them good morning, by the way. Hard-working team.
Yes.
They deal with a lot, so I have to tell them good morning.
Right.
And I was asking that, sorry, Simone, because I wanted to know if from your investigations, is some of the people bringing them in their luggage, or is it such a large number that it would have had to be shipped?
Yeah, man. In most instances, based on our investigative inquiries, the counterfeit goods, they pass through the ports. Oh. Right. So, a 40-foot container, 20-foot container.
40-foot container?
Yes.
Pass through the ports unknown?
Yes, but...
Sir Victor.
Yeah, man, serious. But, if you can recall, even in one instance, my team at CTOC, we seized 500 million worth of goods in one store. So just imagine.
No, man.
That entire store was just...
Counterfeit.
Look
here now, but if in Jamaica for the fiscal year, this is for the year 2017-18, this says $376 million worth of goods were seized at the nation, counterfeit goods were seized at the nation ports. You're saying the big investigation you spoke about just now is 500 million in one instance. One instance.
Yeah. One of the other challenges that you're facing is my producer said, what should the public look out for?
Right.
So there's a part of the public that knows what to look out for. They're actually looking out for the counterfeit goods. Is that one of the biggest? Yeah, is that one of the biggest problems that's feeding the industry? Like, I want to wear a name brand, I want to be on social media, but I can't afford it. So I'm gonna buy the fake.
And you're so correct. So as I say, we are a brand culture. Yeah. And you want to fit into that social class, that exclusive brand, like a LV or a Gucci.
Right.
So they know that they're buying the counterfeit goods.
Yes.
While some are unaware.
Yes.
Right.
How do you know? Because sometimes you really, sometimes it's spottable. Sometimes it's hard to see.
And I totally agree, because they are good fakes, real good fakes. It must sound away, real fakes.
Yeah. We get it.
Yeah. But in a simple way, you can look at the packaging. For example, Nike. I'm not an ambassador for Nike.
Right.
But if you buy a Nike shoe downtown or anywhere, and you see it comes in a plastic bag, that is a red flag. Because Nike doesn't sell shoes in plastic bag. You look at the stitching, the smell. So these are red flags.
And the cost too.
And the cost. But in some instances, some of these, and I call them culprits, what they do is that, let's say a Nike shoe is for 150 US. They sell the counterfeit for 150 US also, because they want to give the impression
that it's real.
That is real. So that the psychological game that they're playing on the consumer.
If I have to buy shoes and look on the stitching, Aris, versus me don't know where stitching really supposed to look like, I'm going to be caught.
And if the Nike have two eyes.
One eye.
And the spelling.
But sometimes it's so insidious. You don't see it. You don't pick it up.